right? But I talk about passive income, right? And multiple streams of income, and that one stream of income isn't enough. Now, back when the pandemic hit in 2020, a lot of people's jobs shut down. People weren't working. So, people weren't, what happens? You're totally at the mercy of what goes on. You have no control of what goes on when you're counting on a salary, right? So you have to have some kind of supplemental income that comes in, all right? So I'm not saying quit your job, maybe someday, right? But you want to have these side incomes coming in so that they're like a cushion, right? So you talk about having an emergency fund, right? But it'd be good to have these things coming in, because what happens is they start covering your monthly expenses, and then all of a sudden, the end of the month, balancing the checkbook and balancing the account isn't so horrifying, because these things are coming in, these multiple streams are coming in, passive streams of income. You're getting a YouTube check, you're getting an ads check, you're getting an affiliate marketing check, you're getting an Amazon check, and all these things add up. And before you know it, they're covering the mortgage, they're covering the car payment, they're covering the cable bill that's out of control, right? They're covering all, whatever else, your insurance, right? And next thing you know, life's great. It's like life-changing stuff, passive income. And what is passive income, right? Because maybe you don't know what passive income is. Passive income is sitting on the beach and never having to do anything else, right? No, it's not. Gary Vee says there's no such thing as passive income. I would argue that there is, but you're just defining it wrong. Passive income is when you do put forth an effort today, right? You do something today, and that action that you did today has potential to earn you money in the future over and over again. A week from now, a month from now, a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, that you have the potential to earn income on that activity you did one time, such as an author writing a book, right? I always say an author writing a book because that's easy for everybody to understand. An author writes a book, the book goes out on the shelves, people buy the book every quarter or however they figure it out. The author gets a residual check, a royalty check, right? For the amount of books that were sold or whatever, right? So that's passive income. He wrote the book once, he or she, right? And then he sits back and collects the sales every once in a while, right? That's passive income. So what else could be passive income besides authoring a book, right? I always say a YouTube channel is passive income, right? Because you create a video today, and that video has the potential to go out and be seen, because YouTube is a search engine. So somebody can search it, today, tomorrow, a year from now, 5 years from now. And if they're searching your subject, your video can come up. And if you put an affiliate link in the commission of your video, and I'll explain to you how to do that. If you haven't been around, you know already. If you have been around, you put an affiliate link in the description of the video. People click that link, and when they make purchases, you get commissions. Pretty cool, right? So now you make a video, you put an affiliate link in the commission in the description, and it goes out on the internet. And you do one video a week for 5 years. Now you have 500 videos that are out there on the internet, clones of you that are out there that have the potential to earn you money, because anybody can search whatever subject those videos are in, click the link, and go to and make a purchase, and you can get a commission. And and that's just one stream of income from the YouTube channel. Is just the affiliate links. You're also getting ad revenue from your the ads that are playing on your YouTube videos. Those people, they get money for those ads as well. So you're getting two checks from YouTube. Well, one check from YouTube, one check from the ad revenue, and it all depends on. And there's different programs as far as affiliate programs. You can do Amazon things. You could be an affiliate for just about anything. To make it simple, an affiliate marketer is basically a salesman, just like a car salesman, just like a real estate agent. They sell something and they get a commission for selling it. It's very simple, easy stuff to understand. So you take someone else's product, and you market it online through your social media, through your Facebook, through your Instagram, through your TikTok, through your YouTube, and you get free traffic to go to that link. And when people make purchases, you get commissions. That's affiliate marketing, but it's basically just being a salesman, right? And